or will it come out when you pour the water?
But you can't throw away the one with the wax. You have to keep it until it stops, like until it doesn't work anymore.
So lava lamps in a store, instead of using water, uses a type of wax. If you're making it as a science experiment, you would use water.
Owen?
What would happen if you dumped that out?
I don't know, but my dad did it, and maybe he knows.
It's be a big mess. It's oil, so you shouldn't throw it in the you shouldn't throw it down the drain or anything. You should probably find something to put it in, throw it in the garbage because it's a lot of oil. It'll mess up your pipes.
This bags.
So you said that real lava lamps have a light at the bottom.
Yeah, it's really strong, so
Why is there a light?
so
What is the purpose of the light?
the light, it melts the wax, which makes the bubbles go up, and sometimes the bubbles stay at the top, and you might have to shake it.
How does the light melt the wax?
Well, the light is really, really, really strong. So the light, it's kind of like a candle. How the light melts the wax at the bottom.
So the light gives off heat,
Yeah.
right?
Georgia.
So if you put it in the bottle, if you put like the dye in the bottle and you like shake it like how you did, would the bubbles get bigger like the more Alka-Seltzer you put in?
Good question.
Actually, I don't know.
Well, you could probably answer that. If you put in a lot of Alka-Seltzer, has the size of the bubbles changed?
Yeah, because when you put little pieces, it changes. Like it makes like how you see now. I put like a little baby one in there, and there's only like little bubbles.
I think
That's interesting.
smaller than 1 power it doesn't.
Peter.
Could you put like how many like colors of food coloring could you put in one lava lamp?
Well, I think you guys can experiment on that and do that.
I don't think that they would be separate colors, Peter. It would blend all together.
Oh,
So,
Yeah, it would turn like brown or black or something.
Mhm.
Makes sense.
What happens if you add over too much food coloring?
Well, actually, it would do the same thing. It's just it would get a darker color at the bottom.
Very good, Clementine. 2 more questions.
Gwen and then Molly.
If you flip it over, would the food coloring go to the bottom or would it stay on the top?
Flip it over.
It stays.
So what's on the bottom right now, Gwen?
It went to the bottom.
What went to the bottom?
The water.
The water. Right. The oil's on top.
It's so cool.
So what, Molly, do your question, Molly, and I have one more question.
Where can you buy the Alka-Seltzer? Alka-Seltzer? Actually, you could buy it at a store. Like, I usually
It's a grocery store.
grocery stores.
Any store. Alka-Seltzer is what you use if you're sick. You take that, it dissolves in water, and adults drink it when they don't feel well. So it's just a type of medicine. You can buy it at any store that sells medicine. So what exactly is making your lava lamp look like the lava is moving? What material? What was the ingredient? The one ingredient that actually made, because right now it's not moving. So what do you need in order to make the little bubbles go?
In order to make the little bubbles go up, you need the Alka-Seltzer, which reacts with it.
Very good. Very cool. Okay, Miss Diamond Ortiz, during the lesson I learned how to, like, okay? Make a lava lamp. One thing that I enjoyed about this lesson was, Cameron?
When
When the
the bubbles came out.
bubbles came up. One thing that I enjoyed about this lesson was, Peter?
When she added the Alka-Seltzer.
One thing I enjoyed about this lesson, Sam?
That it was like interesting.
Interesting. I liked that it was easy to make. I think that we all can go home and make this.
Yeah, but it takes like when you actually get like the oil, bottom, and then the water only goes up like into like those.
Yeah, it looks like 1/4 water, 3/4 oil.
Yeah, it's mostly oil.
A positive word to describe this lesson would be Owen,
Interesting.
Chloe,
Amazing.
Eden,
Scientific.
Jack Guscott. One positive word. Cool. Gwyneth,
Funny.
funny, and Chloe. Fun. Awesome. Great job, Clementine. You do our first science experiment?
What?
I don't know.
No, Jack did one.
Oh, yeah, the oobleck was a science experiment too. Very cool.